Yeah, you know, in the human evolution, if you wanna call it like that, there is circles, you know, where we get lost from our roots, and then there is something that triggers the coming back to our roots. So when you look around, what is happening is really crazy in a good way, and that is a crisis, a call to get back to the roots. Sooner or later, we're gonna get there because we went too far away. When you start to impose things that are not natural over what is natural, or censoring people, or trying to force people to do things, that is a crisis. That is something that is telling you, hey, we are gonna get back to the roots sooner or later, because people are waking up. That's why I'm telling you guys, have faith, trust life, trust yourself. Get this as an opportunity. We are healing together. It's like when a person goes through the cancer process, it's like a way to be reborn again. And the whole world right now have cancer. Cancer is a wonderful experience to get reborn. So we're gonna have this new way of living, new way of connecting with each other, and it's going to be very natural. That's why what you see there is so intense, because now everybody has to see it. Before it was there, but nobody wants to look at it, and now under the carpet, and now it's exploding in front of your face, and it's there. So all the masters for many years, they were saying that, you know, you can live out of fear or out of love. If you are living out of love, if you are having love as a guidance, you're gonna be here and living a healthy way. The world, you're gonna inherit the world, and the ones who are in fear, they're not gonna enjoy that much. And if you look around, people who are in fear, they're suffering a lot. But it's part of the process. So I have seen people who were living out of fear, and now, since this crisis, they're living out of love. There is a lot of opportunities happening, a lot of wonderful shift, and just focus on that. And that is what I can say. And another thing is, what you are seeing is your programs. I mean, if your programs is a set of belief. For example, if you believe in separation, if you believe in control, if you believe in manipulation, it's where you're going to see this, and you're going to be triggered and affected. It's not you're going to be neutral. For me, what I see is neutral, because I know it's a wonderful transformation, but some people are suffering, and when they get these teachings, they're more relaxed about it. They get back to the natural state, and they know what is natural is the way. And it's beautiful to see all this transformation that is happening right now.